Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to topic 22. In this topic, we're going to quickly see how to place the silhouettes. Now, I've already done this in our section, but let's just do it over here once and for all again. So I'm just going to quickly press on File and open up my materials file folder which we have provided to you guys. And over here, you guys will see the humans, and I can just press Open. And I'll just double click on the file and press OK, so that directly rasterizes the layer. Do remember this. Now I'll use the wand tool. Again, the tolerance is 4, so I can just select the white area and delete. Again, I'll quickly select the marquee tool now. Now do remember guys, before I even select the marquee tool, if you want, you can use the wand tool to actually just go ahead and select the white portion of the areas that you want to delete off. I'm going to select this and kind of delete this out. Control D. Now I'll use the wand, the marquee tool, and I will just go ahead and select this person. Using the move tool, I can drag this person into the section and bring him over here. And now using Control T, we can actually scale this person up. Let's say till this much and press Enter. So now we actually have this person over here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to place this person behind the counter, and I'm going to use the marquee tool to select his entire base from here and delete him off by pressing Ctrl D. So we'll actually have this person placed over here. I can just move this down. We can actually use the arrow keys also to move them left, right, up and down. Alright, so that is actually how it would really work. Now the next thing is I'm going to press Ctrl D, again use the marquee tool to actually select this person over here. Using the move tool, I can move this person from here, and let's just place this person into this room over here. Ctrl T, and we can just scale this woman a little bit up. Press Enter and actually place this person over here. Now if you feel that this person has become a little bit too big, what I will do is I will actually scale them down a little bit and press Enter. Now we can see that her foot is coming here, so I'll just place as much as it makes sense to be up, and the rest of it I can delete off. It can be going behind, so that too would matter. So that's something that we'll do to place this person over here as well as this person over here. Now I'm going to be showing you guys a small technique which will actually help you guys to show mirrors and show reflections. So that's one thing which very few people really do, but I believe the more the detailed your render, the better the quality of it. So if I just zoom in over here, you guys will notice that this person would have a reflection on this window, correct? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this person on the side over here, just slightly on the side. Now I'm going to use the marquee tool to actually select the person all the way from top to down, which would include from the frame below, so I can delete. Control D, and you can see how now this person's this side is coming in front over here, so I'll just put the layer 1 on top. Layer 1 is basically this fellow, and layer 2 is basically the reflection what we're going to have, and I'll just reduce the opacity of it. But that's the wrong one, not this one. We'll be reducing the opacity of the behind layer over here. And you can actually see why I've done that is because this would basically be the reflection of this person. So actually he's just standing here and there's a reflection happening on the window. And this is something which would actually look really good when you're trying to create a detailed look of a render. So do provide this kind of work, and it would actually help you guys a lot. So I hope you guys have understood this much, and so we're done with this render. We'll pick it up from the site plan in the next topic, which I'll see you guys over there. So all the best guys, finish this off and take care.